you know they are spoiling him too.
I know, he's so cute.
Some good news tonight. After 3 weeks of a virus that spread all throughout the Regional Center for Animal Control and Protection in Roanoke, the dogs are now healthy and the doors are back open. Even though their soft opening was earlier this week, RCACP is still urging the public to try and not bring any animals to the center as they are still running low on cage room. The RCACP is offering $5 vaccinations tomorrow from 2 to 5 p.m. in their parking lot. The reason is to prevent something like what happened the past week from happening again.
And what we experienced was preventable if you get your animal vaccinated. So we're hoping that that partnership with Angels of Assisi and us, we can try to reach as many animals as we can.
The RCACP is doing a $0 adoption fee all month long. They are asking that you just bring a bag of dog food for their pet food pantry.